Coping with a partner with low desire for intimacy seems to be a common thread every now and then for, a lot of different couples. So something that we've suggested plenty of times is communicate openly about your needs and feelings. Communication is always going to be the key to a lot of issues, but we also want to make sure the partner is comprehending it. Also, find other ways to connect emotionally. So if you know your significant other connects, in this manner, you want to do your best to connect in that manner. One of the biggest tips that we always give everybody, whether single, dating, married, in a relationship, it doesn't matter. Seek professional help, counseling, just to help reassess and put together the relationship. So that way you guys are both accomplishing what you want out of the relationship.
Also, find out your partner's sexual preference. Do they like it rough? Do they like it more romantic? Do they prefer things more slower? When you understand their sexual profile, that's when you'll be able to manage and be able to meet that partner's needs. Because you may like it rough, but they don't like it rough.
Right.
And now they're a little bit turned off to even go into having any intimate relations with you because you're not listening to the other partner's needs.